To create a new campaign, all you want to do is go to the left side of your screen and click add a new campaign. And now it will give you an option to either upload a CSV file or select from your Bling CRM. So what I'm going to do is select from my CRM. And I'm going to click all of my clients. And I'm going to click next. And it will ask you to select a phone number, and I'm going to use my Bling phone number. If you want to use another phone number, you can go to user management and change the business phone there. And now we'll ask you to write a simple script, so I'm just going to do that really quick. After I wrote a simple script, I want to click next, and now you want to select the people to receive the call. So for right now, it is just me, but you can edit this later in your settings. And you want to add a name for your campaign, so I'm just going to put sales dialer test 2. And it will ask you to select a card. So I already selected, but you can go ahead and enter in your card details, and it will have a number of options for either 1,000 calls, 5,000 calls, 10,000 calls, or 20,000 calls. Sales Dialer. The Sales Dialer is a powerful tool that can help you reach as many customers as possible in a short amount of time. With the Sales Dialer, not only can you dial your clients faster and easier, but your calls are also recorded so you can look back on them, and you can also easily integrate Bling with your favorite CRMs such as Salesforce and Zapier. You can also capture notes during a live call and transfer the call to other team members. So as you can see, I'm on my Bling dashboard, and I went ahead and navigated to the Sales Dialer section on the left side of your dashboard. So if you click on that, it will look something like this. The Operator Analytics tab shows you what operator has answered how many calls and what their status is. So for me, it shows my name and how many calls that I have answered and what my status is. It also shows if I've set a customer to a hot lead, warm lead, or a cold lead. And in call status, it shows which clients that I have called and how many times that I have dialed them. So for example, one of my clients can be seen here, and you can mark the response date and how many times that I have called them. So right now, I am inactive, and to remove this inactive status, all you want to do is go to phone, go to Sales Dialer, and click start and mark myself available. This will trigger the Sales Dialer feature, and the Sales Dialer feature will go through every single one of your contacts until one of them answers. So I'm going to go ahead and click start, and it will say wait for your next call. The Sales Dialer has started. And as you can see, someone called back. So now what we want to do is go ahead and click pick up. And after the call, what you want to do is go down to type of call to put them under a category. So if you don't want to call them back, you can put them under DNC. But for this client, what I do want to do is call them back. So I click call them again, and then you can hang up. And it will say wait for your next call. But for right now, I'm going to go make myself unavailable. And if I made myself unavailable, the Sales Dialer, the campaign will be stopped, and you can add multiple agents onto one campaign. So if I go to my Sales Dialer feature, on the right side of my screen, I can see the agent that is assigned to the campaign, and this campaign is just Sales Dialer test. But you can create multiple campaigns and have them going at the same time with the different or the same agent attached to each one.